Hey guys, is your iPhone cord dirty? Well, this video is going to teach you how to clean it. If you have an iPhone, I believe 12 and up, then you're gonna have what's called TPU material. It's no longer that PVC rubbery material. So first put a tablespoon of laundry detergent. Then put a spoonful of dishwashing soap. Now just add some warm water. You don't need anything too hot. You just want to be able to mix the solution easily. Now take a thick paper towel and absorb it into the solution. Go ahead and squeeze and rinse it out. Make sure there's not too much excess moisture. And now you're ready to start wiping it down. We're gonna go ahead and just get the cord, and then you're gonna wipe it down like this. Make sure the pad's not too wet, and you will see how dirty it is. Go ahead and just wipe down the whole cord. So you can see here how dirty it is before and after. And that's pretty much it, guys. Try it at home. Hope it helps. Please like or comment. Thank you.